beta. Children, today I am back with another very nice video. In today's video, we are going to learn few shapes and the formation of shapes, right? So here we will learn about how the shapes are formed with angles, sides, and we'll learn few more shapes in the next part of this video. So today I'm going to conduct the first part. So are you all ready for the basic shapes today? Let us start learning. So children, for today's activity we will need clay and few toothpicks. If you don't have toothpicks, you can use matchsticks or you can use broomsticks also. You can make small pieces of broomstick and you can use, right? So here I have sticks and clay. Now from this clay we will make different shapes and learn about them, right? So first of all I am going to make a circle, right? For that I have taken a lump. Children, if you don't have clay at home, what you can do? You can take dough of chapati and then you can use it, right? You can add some yellow color, turmeric powder for yellow color, or you can add some kumkum to make red color, right? So here this is one way to make a circle. After rolling it, if we'll press, we can get circle shape. Now I'll show you another way of making circle. So here again I have taken a lump and now I will roll it straight. Make it long and then see, we will join the edges and what we got? We got a circle, right? So these are the circles. Circle shape. Which shape is this? Circle. Okay. Now we will make oval shape. Take another lump and roll, right? Roll it and then roll straight, right? Make it little long and then press it. Okay, press. So this is oval shape. Which shape is this? Oval, right? Now children, all these shapes you can see do not have corners, right? Which shape is this? Circle. So circle, circle and oval. They do not have corners. Now with the use of this toothpicks, we will learn the shape which has corners. And in mathematical term we call it angle. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Angle. So now we'll take small portion and make small balls, right? So for the first shape I am making small balls. I'll need 3 balls for the shape, right? And here I have got 3 balls. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is little big. I'll make it small. Right? So now what we all are going to do? We'll insert this stick in one ball and fix the other ball to the other side of stick. Right? Now take one more stick and fix it in one ball. Then take the other ball, fix it on the other side, and lastly we'll take one more stick and fix it to both the balls. Now here you can see we have made a triangle. What is this? It's a triangle. So now how it makes a triangle? Here in triangle we have 3 angles. this clay ball are angles. 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle. So this 3 angle makes a triangle, and the sticks represents the sides. So angles and sides, right? So let us count. 1, 2, 3. How many angles do a triangle have? 3. And we have 3 sides here. So 3 angles and 3 sides together make a triangle. Triangle. Understood? Now same way we will make few more shapes. Now I'm taking 4 balls. 1, 2, then 3, and 4. Right? So now using these 4 balls, what am I going to do? I'm going to make a square. Okay, so for that, see how am I using these sticks? Right? Just observe my hands. I am fixing the sticks into the balls, and our square is ready. Yes. Okay, so this is square. Now in the square we have 4 angles, right? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clay represents the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sticks represents the sides. Let us count the sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and 4 sides. So we have a square here, and the square is having 4 angles and 4 sides, right? So I'll keep it here. Now children, we'll see the rectangle, and I will explain to you how rectangle is different from square, right? For that, again I'll take 4 balls, right? 1, then 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So here I have 4 balls, right? So in square also we have 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in rectangle also we have 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how rectangle is different from square? I will show you. So here I am taking the same toothpicks to make sides. I'll fix this stick to the sides here. And now I am taking 2 long sticks. See, here I have 2 long sticks. Okay, so I'm fixing the other sides with the long sticks. Okay, so now I will explain to you how rectangle is different from square. See children, in square shape all the sides are of same size, है ना? All the sticks are of same size, right? See, they are all same in size, and we have used all same size, similar size sticks in square. But in rectangle, what happens? 2 sticks are of same size and 2 sticks are of different size. So these 2 sticks are small, but these 2 sticks are long. So this way this square is different from rectangle. Rectangle is somewhat bigger in shape and two sides are same, and in square four sides are same, right? Let us count the sides of our rectangle. 1 2 3 4, and let us count the sides. 1 2 3 4. Yes, so in square and rectangle, what do we get? We get four angles and four sides, but square has similar sides and rectangle has different size of sides, right? So I hope you understood about basic shapes. In our next video we will learn few new shapes, right? Children, how was the activity? Did you find it interesting? Children, now I want you all to do this activity at home. You must be having clay at home, and if you don't have clay, you can use dough of chapati, paratha, and then you can use matchstick or broomstick and perform this activity. Okay? I want everyone to learn shapes, and in my next video, I'm going to show you few new shapes, right? So, bye-bye for now and take care.